Hello there. Noise is an increasing environmental problem in the world. Due to increased urbanization, the need for transport solutions will probably cause more noise in society. If we don't want to build higher noise screens to accelerate in cost, we have to look at new solutions, I think. This is where Wavebreaker can play an important role, reducing traffic noise, reducing noise screen heights and costs. Even for existing noise screens, the low weight and low height can play an important role and be a game changer for areas where you have load restrictions or height restrictions, or just increased noise reduction is necessary. We are right now installing Wavebreaker on a new aluminium noise wall next to the high-speed railway line, design speed for 200 km/h. Developed a simple installation method using the pillars as load bearers for our fixation profiles. I am Tony Johansson, CEO and owner of Wavebreaker. Thanks for watching this report. Bye.